In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp Breadcrumbs in Views. Start by heading to clickup.com and logging in. On the login screen, choose Continue with Google and select your Google account to enter your workspace. Once you're in, open the space you want to work with. I'll open a space labeled Personal for this walkthrough. From there, navigate into the relevant folder, then open the list where you manage your items. I'll use a list called Budget Items. At the top right of your list view, click Customize. This is where we'll turn on the visual helpers that make breadcrumbs so useful. First, enable Show Subtask Parents' Names. This makes every subtask clearly display its parent, which is essential when you're browsing or filtering across multiple tasks. Next, toggle on Show Task Locations or Show Location Breadcrumbs on tasks. With this on, each task and subtask will show its full path, like space, folder, and list, so you always know exactly where work lives. Now let's make subtasks visible in the list. Open the Subtasks menu in your View Controls and choose Expanded. This displays subtasks directly beneath their parent tasks, which is great for reviewing context at a glance. Click into any task and add a couple of example subtasks so we have something to look at. When you're done, return to the list. If needed, set the Subtasks menu to Expanded again so the subtasks you just added appear under their parents. Next, open the Subtasks menu once more and switch to Separate. This mode shows subtasks as standalone rows in the list, which is perfect for sorting, filtering, or reporting on subtasks just like regular tasks. Because we turned on parent names and location breadcrumbs, each subtask still shows its parent and its full path, so you won't lose context even though it's separated from the parent's row. Scroll through your list to see this in action. You'll notice each subtask now carries two helpful cues, the parent task name and the location breadcrumb. That means you can group by status, filter by assignee, or sort by due date, and still immediately recognize where each subtask belongs. If you ever prefer a more hierarchical look again, just switch the subtasks menu back to expanded. Your breadcrumb and parent name settings will continue to display either way. That's it. By enabling parent names and task location breadcrumbs, and by choosing the right subtask display, expanded for context or separate for analysis, you'll keep your ClickUp views clear, navigable, and perfectly suited to the way you work.